Relational discipleship is what we do here at Catalyst Church. And if I'm honest, I think it's what Jesus did. That's the reason that we do it here. So many people talk about doing discipleship and they think just about the head knowledge of understanding scripture or theology or something like that, but Jesus seems like he did so much more. So somebody coined the term relational discipleship, and I think that fits best. And at the holidays, when we've got our family and our friends in with, and Thanksgiving and then Christmas and New Year's and all the time we spend together with everybody, this is a great opportunity to grow as a disciple of Jesus. The reason? Relationships are hard. Just period. The longer you're around people, the more those tiny little quirks will start to drive you crazy if we're honest with each other. They will push you to the edge. And how you deal with those quirks, how you deal with those relationships, helps you become better at relationships, better at understanding who you are, better at understanding who they are. And if you're better at relationships, you're better at discipleship. So during these holidays, with Thanksgiving already passed, Christmas coming up, and then New Year's, I know a lot of us are going to be traveling or having family in. This might be the opportunity to grow yourself as a disciple maker rather than just making other disciples by becoming better at relationships, by understanding that the time spent together really can enhance things. And this is nothing new. You think about this. All throughout Scripture, when Jesus is with his 12, and they say that they walked from Galilee and then they walked to Jerusalem, that's a 3-day trip. In our movies, they would fast forward. They would skip ahead. They would play music as they drove really fast or something. But they still had 3 days together, day and night, walking the entire time in the beating hot sun with almost no shade at all. I bet they got on each other's nerves. I bet Peter was running his mouth, and James and John, the sons of thunder, were ready to fight everybody after a while, but they figured out how to be in relationships, to realize some days you have good days, some days you have bad days, but when either I am being made into a better disciple of Jesus or I am making other people into a disciple of Jesus, I need to be better at relationships. So take this opportunity, get yourself a little bit better at understanding maybe those bad things or those little quirks that get on your nerves, and figure out why they get on your nerves. Asking God, why am I allowing this to bother me? Can you help me overcome the fact that this is bothering me? Maybe you get to hear and spend a little time with the person and figure out why they have these quirks, and then once you understand them, they don't bother you so much. But relational discipleship seems like the way to go. It's good enough for Jesus, it's good enough for me. If you're in Greensboro, North Carolina, and you want to come join the Catalyst Church family, you can find us Sunday morning at 10 a.m., and you can come and you can join us for service, for worship, for teaching, for all of the above that we're doing. If you are not in Greensboro, North Carolina, and you just check out our videos online, I would love for you to subscribe, hit the button, make a like, make a comment, ask any questions that you have, and I'll keep putting out content so that you guys become better disciple makers, and in the process, better followers of Jesus. And I'll see you soon.